In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the problem where your Pinterest pictures are not loading. So if you open the Pinterest app and the pictures and videos won't load, then I will show you a couple of solutions to solve this issue. The first one is to check your internet connection. If your internet is unstable, then that is why the pictures aren't showing. So go to phone settings and check that you are connected to the right Wi-Fi. If you use mobile data, then you may want to switch to a stronger Wi-Fi connection. But if your internet is good, then we may have a problem with the app cache. So open your Pinterest app and go to your profile. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. Tap on the settings. Here select the privacy and data option. Scroll down. Tap on clear app cache. That will clear Pinterest app cache. Then check if your problem is resolved. If not, then the last method is to uninstall the app and reinstall it from App Store or Google Play Store, and that should solve your issue.